Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 Update KB5085516 26200.8039 not installing. First, open Windows Settings and go to Windows Update. Click on Pause Updates, then click Resume Updates and check again. Sometimes this simple step works. If that doesn't help, type Services in the search box and open it. Find App Readiness, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, Start, then OK and restart the service. Next, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Set it to Automatic, apply changes, start it, and restart the service. Then scroll down to Windows Update Service, set it to Automatic, apply, start it, and restart the service as well. Now go back to Windows Update and click Retry. If it still fails, run System Repair commands. Search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run as administrator. Run these commands one by one. SFC, Scannow, DISM, Online, Cleanup Image, Restore Health, DISM, Online, Cleanup Image, Start Component Cleanup. Wait for each scan to complete, then restart your PC. If the update still won't install, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open the website, search for KB5085516, check your Windows version using WinVer, confirm your system type in Settings. About, then download the correct version and install it manually. If that fails, go to Windows Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery, and select Reinstall Now under Fix Problems using Windows Update. As a last step, use Media Creation Tool. Download it from Microsoft, create an ISO, open it, run Setup, choose Keep Personal Files and Apps, and complete the installation. After installation, restart your PC and check the update again. One of these methods should fix the issue, so that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.